Alright, so I'm working on the V10 again. I got the wipers working, figured out the ground switch was bad, ground wire, sorry. And now the fluid won't pump to the windshield, so I took the cowl off again and blew out the lines with the old air gun. And these work. There, I cleared them out. Just gonna clear out the whole system. This one plugs into here and comes back under the cowl, and that goes down the firewall into the pump. And the pump works because it's buzzing, and when I pulled the hose off, the water just started freely flowing. So I was right in the fact that the pump was bad, but I was wrong as far as the pump is not normally closed. It's just, I don't know, probably like a water wheel type of pump. So anyways, I got the two ends, where are they at, of the hose. Alright, here's one. That's what plugs into here and then goes through the cowl. And then the other end is right here, and this end goes to the washer pump. So there's a blockage somewhere in this line, and I'm looking, and where this bolt is, right here, the line goes under that, as you can see, and I'm thinking it's probably crimped, crushed, probably squeezed just enough that that's what's causing it, because there's no junctions. This is just one solid piece of hose. There's no joints or connections anywhere in there, so that's the only logical place. So I'm gonna try and slide that out from under that. Clamps down the brake line ABS system here. So let me fish that hose through there and see if that solves our problem. Half-inch knot, I had to loosen it up, and it still ain't budging. Somebody routed that under there and squashed the crap out of it with that bolt. So now I gotta undo it some more. Okay, so I got the bolt loosened up. Had to use the old roofing crowbar here to lift that up. And then I got this pulled out from under it. Gee, look at that. I wonder why the washer fluid wouldn't come out. Good God. How did he have any washer fluid at all? He probably didn't. And that's got a hole in it. Lovely. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, let me see if I can get this opened back up, because I don't want to have to replace all this tubing, but I may have to, at least just this section. Alright, that should fix our problem. Oh, moment of truth. Got everything hooked up, got the blockage freed up, ran some high pressure air through it in order to open that hose back up. So should work. Let's try it. Yeah. But yeah, okay, it's not fully hooked up yet, that's why it's shooting over the windshield. So sweet, she works. Now we can go one more step closer to winter, not worry about being able to clean the windshield off when we got snow and ice on there. That's it.